Hi guys, happy Monday. Sky watching, bird watching. Look at this beautiful tree here that I have. It's starting to flower. It does flower in the colder weather. I was watching something, let's look at the clouds. I was watching something on the news, right? Mr. T, R-U-M-P, he said the day before yesterday that they have a new stealth plane. It's called the F-47. They're everywhere. Don't know where to film first. F-47, and it's invisible. It's invisible. He said that. And he also said that it needs drones to help it fly. It's like he said that a bit later on, a sort of, I think he didn't really mean to say that, but he did. But this machine, this jet, is very, very fast, he said. And he said, oh, we've got this and that, and he's rambling off all these numbers. Now, I don't know what all that means, but someone does. But he said it is invisible to the naked eye, this plane. And it needs drones. So is that holographics? Oh, miss that bird. Sadly, I wonder. But he said they've got it. He said there's an amount of money that we couldn't even imagine that it cost. We go up to trillions, add a few more zeros. I mean, it's all... Yeah, I'm a conspiracy realist, guys. But when I hear something, I heard it. I heard it with my own ears. He said it a few times in the interview. Invisible planes, just after JFK. They're busy. It's going to take a long time for them to read all that stuff, so they can't, the JFK files. So maybe it's sort of, is it a coincidence that they've just released this new aeroplane or jet that is invisible? Plus, there's 40,000 pages of the JFK stuff to be read. I mean, he's not keeping anything secret. He said most of these people have gone anyway, passed over. But yeah, that's a quick update, and I wanted to make it a short, so I'll go now. So happy sky watching. This is my beautiful plant.